Hey girl, hey. So today I'm going to be showing you all how I do my wig installs. And today we're going to be using a 22-inch Bodywave unit from my hairline Le Juice Co. So get you a new cap, put it on her head, and cut the little ears out. And I'm also going to get some needle and thread and sew down the back so the cap doesn't roll underneath her wig. Yeah, that ain't cute. So I used to use got to be glue, gel, or spray to secure the cap down, but I don't do that anymore. I use the Frontal glue, and it helps with the whole melting process. And then it doesn't take as long as the got to be glue. Like the got to be glue be wet and gluey, you gotta take forever and ever for it to dry. No, just go ahead and use the Frontal glue. I'm putting it like right here in front of her braids, like kind of like on her skin. The glue just never touches her hairline. After I use my blow dryer to set the glue in, I'm going to go in with makeup and color her whole cap. Well, really not the whole entire thing, just the top part. What I used, I believe that's Black Opal. Yeah, my Black Opal foundation stick and Carab. And I'm going to do the same thing with the lace. After you cut the cap, you're going to fit your wig onto your client and kind of bring it back a little bit and apply 4 small layers of Frontal glue. Some people wait after each layer of glue, like wait till it's clear. No, go ahead and just put all 4 layers on and then go in with your blow dryer. When the glue gets tacky, I'm gonna take the front to middle of my lace and pull and stretch it in place. I kind of do it in sections, so I'll do that front part right there, then I go do the sides. very tedious work. Once you tack your wig down, you're kind of going to go in with your scissors and trim the unnecessary lace around it. Like I said, when I put the wig on here, I already had the lace kind of cut, but I didn't cut too much just so I can make these adjustments that I'm making right now. And please be careful not to cut your client with your shears when you're doing this. I know sometimes we slip, but just be mindful. Wig units can fit any size head, and I said it because when you apply it, you might have to make your own adjustments, especially when you all do not send me your measurements, but that is okay. So just to watch what I'm doing, I'm going to carve out the lace around the ear, and again, be careful not to cut your client. Once you done nipped and snipped everything that you need to cut, you're gonna go back in with your blow dryer and kind of set the glue, because I know you see like the little white specks, but that's okay, because once it's melted, honey, you're not even gonna see that. Get your makeup brush, and with the excess makeup, you're gonna brush across your lace just like this, and you're gonna use the Got To Be Glue freeze spray. Now you can always use the olive oil spray as well, the olive oil wig holding spray. That works as well too, but be careful with these sprays because it could make your lace lift up. Once you spray the spray, be ready with your elastic band in hand to tie on your lace so it can go ahead and melt down and not lift up. Excuse my little Sasha Buttercup powder on my elastic band. Thank you. While the lace is melting, I'll go ahead and blow her out and pluck her apart and go ahead and just start styling her hair and give it time for the lace to set in. Go in just to make sure her part is right and go ahead and start pulling out her baby hairs and laying them. let's get into it. Yes, ma'am. Make sure you all invest in latejuiceco.com because you're going to get as many wears as you want to out of this hair, honey. Thanks for watching.